Equipped with dual boilers and dual water pumps. Make espresso and milk foam at the same time. Pour into fresh coffee beans. Put the portafilter to receive the powder. Select single or double, cup and grinding time. Knob to adjust grinding levels. Long press 2 seconds to start grinding. Use the tamper to compact coffee grounds. 5/8 brewing group and low pressure pre-soaking. Dual professional extraction. Select single or double cups. 1 click to start to make espresso. One click to switch steam mode. Powerful steam. Easily create dense milk froth.